like an accident waiting to happen in oncoming traffic. So now we're looking at nearly $1 million to pedestrianize the old downtown area and establish the first phase of a sustainable community, all laid out for $750, compliments of taxpayer money, and the use, or should I say misuse, of our MPO members. When the downtown businesses are rezoned in the next phase of the big picture, the owners might be surprised to learn that they can no longer meet the new building codes and will have to close or be taken over through eminent domain to make way for the sustainable community. This time, compliments of HUD and the EPA. This is how it works. And for those of you who have not educated yourself about sustainable communities, I suggest you do so. Ignorance is not an option. Too much is at risk. Please contact me or any of our members with the American Coalition for Property Rights, and we'll provide you with the information you need to understand this. On December 8th, 2012, when you, Council, voted no to 750, you were correct in your assessment of what would happen to our community if these changes were allowed to take place. I'm asking you again to carefully consider the implications of this precedent-setting proposal to narrow the twin pairs. The ramifications of your decision will have far-reaching and irreversible consequences. And because I strongly support our local businesses and capitalism, I've some common sense suggestions for calming traffic concerning the crossing and safety issues. According to Monty Hall, if the lights for crossing were timed the same, you would be able to cross in any direction with no right turn on red. With no traffic moving, it would be safe to cross. He also said that traffic cones could be in place for traffic calming. Parking signs could be posted in merchants' windows, and parking signs could be placed on poles for directions to parking. On downtown Fridays, Jetson allows the public use of its parking areas, and there are other alternate areas available as well. For beautification, I'm certain the garden clubs will be happy to help. These less expensive alternatives should be utilized because they can, and because they have no strings attached. Remember that the narrowing of the twin pairs is one small part of a plan in the re-engineering of America, and I promise you, once it starts unfolding, none of us will have freedom of choice in the future